Guys, my name is Kasim. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about some few extra things that we need for our charts. This is a trading video. It's my understanding video series. So we are going to talk about three things today. We're going to talk about how do you put the news on your chart. So that's news. We're going to talk about level 2, how to put level 2 on your chart and how to read it. And then we're also going to talk about time and sales, right? So time and sales and level 2 together, they pretty much, they call them the tape. That's when you're reading the actual order flow. You can see how the orders are coming in from the different exchanges. And you can also see the actual price list, like live listed prices of how, how the orders are coming in and the price that they're actually closing at, and as well as having the news in one place where you can quickly get access to information that you need in order for you to make decisions when you when you are trading. So thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you like what I do here, I urge you to go check out my channel, look at some of my other content. I'm a dividend investor, I'm a day trader, and I'm into so many things. So I'm going to be sharing my journey here on YouTube. My biggest goal is to try to get to $1 million. So I set a $1 million challenge for myself. Trading is part of it. Dividend investing is part of it. Working and growing my income is also part of it. So I'm going to be sharing all that in this channel. So I urge you to subscribe and stick around. Please do stick around. I want you to stick around. You are going to learn a lot from this channel. So let's get right into it here. We are looking at Tesla. This is Tesla stock. We are looking at Tesla here. And what I'm going to do is, there's two things I like to do. I like to have on the flexible grid section. First of all, before we even talk about what we're going to talk about next, I've done a lot of videos where for those people that just want to get straight into it, they know about trading and everything, you just want to get straight into it, go look at the playlist, the TD Ameritrade playlist that is on this channel. Go look at that. There's two videos where I show you exactly all my charts and how I use them. And I also have another video where I show you how you can load it onto your TD Ameritrade. So it can be, so you don't have to do anything. Everything is already done. You just have to just load it onto yours. If you're interested in using my charts and my way of trading here. So I've already done a lot of those work. So go and check out the video. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how to add news, time and sales, and level 2 right here on the chart here. So the first thing that we're going to do is you want to go right up here, and then click on the custom grid. Right here, click on the custom grid. Once you do that, this menu is going to come up, and then you want to put one down here, right at the bottom of this. So right here first, you want to, once you select this bottom arrow here and this comes up, what you want to do is you want to select news for this section here. You want to select news. Okay, that came up there. Okay, so this came up here. That is fine. So what we're gonna do is you wanna X this out, so it would take this one out. No, actually, maybe X this. Okay, so that's the news here. That's the news. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the right, because we want one on the right here. We want one on the right here, and we want one at the bottom of it, right at the bottom of it. So we have two information here. So on this side, we want we want two things. We want the level, we want time and sales on this side. So to get time and sales, so I hope you're getting what I'm doing so far. You go to flexible grid, you hit custom. Once you hit custom, this will show up, and then if you hit this button here, it will bring these options up, and if you hit the button to the right of it, it will bring these options up. And then once you get to this option here, then you click on this button to bring this button up. Like I said before, if you just want this chart, instead of going through this process, everything is already done already. Go check out how to load custom chart on your chart. You will see it. I've already made the video already. So okay, without taking too much time here, so right here, what we're gonna do is you wanna click on this tab right here. You're gonna go to gadget, and then you wanna select what you wanna see there. The first one that we wanna see here is time and sales. We wanna see time and sales. So that's gonna show up here, and if you type in Tesla, you will be able to see it. Oh, I don't know why it's bringing me up now. Let me pause this for a second now. Once you do that, as you can see right up here, we have just the time. We have the time and sales here, and then at the bottom here, what we need is just we just need this information, which is the level 2. So what you want to do is you want to, on the side here, you want to click on chart, take the chart out, and you just have your level 2 here. You can decide to, once you put those two in there, then you can go to this option here. Let me see if it's right up here, or this next one, and then you take out the custom grid. You take that out. Once you take it out, you have something that will look just like this. This is exactly what you need, by the way. And then what you can do is you can readjust this to just make it a little bit better for you on the eye. So this one, we can readjust it and bring it down a little bit. This section here. Give me a second. Let me readjust it, and I'll be right back. So now that I basically adjusted the proportion here, so what you can see is we have the news right here. So let's say we're trading or something like that, and you're watching the stock, this Tesla stock, and you see there's a big spike that just recently happened just now. From here, there's a nice little big spike up here. So you can see the news and see what's coming on. You can see Tesla plans to open 52 service center next year as delivery grows. So they're planning on opening more service centers. You can see that, and you can see as a result of that, you can see the spike in the stock. Then you can look over here. You see all the you see all the exchanges. You see the Nasdaq here. These are all the exchanges. NYSE. These are all the exchanges that are tapped into the US market. Some of them are international, but these are all the exchanges that people can go in to buy and sell Tesla stock. So you can see there's the exchange here. You can see the exchange. This is the bid, and this is the size. So the bid is what other people are bidding. So what buyers want to pay, and then ask here is what sellers want for it. And then this is the exchanges of where the selling orders are coming in. So this is the selling order exchange. You can see all the exchanges over here. These are not just only US exchanges. Some exchanges all over the world that are good with the US and the US government. They get access to the US market, and this is the exchanges that the orders come from. And right here we can see all the ask prices. So these are the sellers, people that are willing to sell their stock for this price. You can see them coming in and saying, okay, we want to sell for this price. And then you can see the size here. This is the size from the exchanges that are coming in. And on this side, right on top here, we can actually see the actual price and the sizes of the information that is coming in. But there's one thing that I do need to change here really quickly. So I thought, let me show you guys. So we're gonna go here and go to settings. If you will click and then click on custom. Once you click on custom, this comes up. So two things you need the ask price. So you want to add that here. If you will add, and then you need the bid. You need the bid and you want to add that as well. So you need those two. So yeah, we have those there. So what we want to do is we want to have the time show up first, and then we want to have I have a couple of things. So you want to have the time show up, you want to have the bid as the next one. So let's see if I can move the bid the bid up here. Just give me 1 second, move this up. One more. So move it up here. We want the bid up here, and then we want the ask right next to it. Move it up as well. So move up, it goes up twice there. And then next thing we want to do is we want to have the price right next to it. And you're gonna see why I'm arranging it in this order in just 1 minute. So that's that, and then you just click on OK. So now once you click on OK, we have this information here. As you can see, this is very clear now. We can clearly see what's happening. You have the time. So this is the time down to the second. Down to the second, you can see how all the orders are coming in. The obviously the greens are people that are buying, and the reds are people that are selling. And then same here. This information, bid and ask. I basically brought it over here. The only reason why we have this now is you can see where the exchanges that the orders are coming from and the size of the exchanges. Not like it really matters for like small traders. It really don't matter, but it's just good to have it, to see what's going on. It's good to have that there. So we have the bid price that just closed and the ask price that closed, and then you can see the size here, the size that are coming in. As you can see, like this one is going down pretty quickly. 24, 10. You can see the sizes here. This one was 100 buys. So the sizes are coming in, and as you can see, the stock basically reacts to what is going on with the information that is going on here. This is basically called price action. That is called, what we're looking at right now. What we're looking at now is basically price action. That's what you call reading the tape. That's when you learn how to read the price movement, because price action is everything when it comes to trading. Matter of fact, there's really nothing. Trading is price action. Okay. The charts just show it in a different way, and in a more like user friendly way. So we can see, okay, this is most likely what's going on in the stock. That's what the chart is primarily there for. But what trading is the information that's coming in here, and the information that is here. You can basically tell, okay, when you're looking at this, you're like, okay, the price is at 414, 20, 414, 20, 29 just now. Now it's gone to 414, 42. So as you can see, the prices of the stock is going up. So you can tell if you have a position open here, or if you have a position open here, let's say you took the trade from here and it pulled back a little bit here, you just look at the price and see what's going on with the price action. If the price action is slowly going up, then you can tell that, okay, most likely the stock still have a little bit of room to go, as if we're going to look at just the pure charts here. You can see that it's actually inching up here little by little. So that is price action, people. That is how you watch. That is how you use price to determine if you're gonna be in the trade or not. As you can see, look, right now that the chart is indicating that it's gonna keep on going down, and if we take a look here, we should see big sell volume coming in, 25, 150, 25, You see all the sales that are coming in, more sales than buy. People are selling. You can see everything coming. If you look at the exchange as well, you can see there's a ton of sales that are coming in. So yeah, this is how I look at I use it in my trading to help me make better decisions when it comes to entries and exits and stuff like that. So I really hope you've enjoyed what you've seen so far in the video. If you like what I do here, please take a moment to like the video, share the video with other people. Stick around as well, subscribe. You know, I have a lot to offer, I have a lot to share. So subscribe, stick around. I really hope you've enjoyed what you see. Until next time, take care and have a good one. Bye.